doing exam and sitting afraid.
So this is an exam.
Interview. I don't know what kind of question you're going to ask me. Who fool me can answer question? Who fool ask Maxi? When I go to school, if I know who fool.
You know,
You remember?
I remember. No.
You remember if me fool in the school?
No, say you're the intelligent girl when I go to school.
No, sir. You remember
see
what
there?
me to get in this class with fool?
You know, I don't remember.
Fool there.
Okay.
Hi, daughter.
How are you?
I'm blessed.
Okay, that's good. All right. So this is a mommy interview, right? And you can start by saying your name and your age if you feel like.
Wow. My name is Ramano. R is for Ramo. A is for Amo. My name is Grace Hamilton. And I am 53 years of age.
Wow, 53. Looking nice and young though.
Wow.
Wow.
Thank you.
All right. So the next question is, what age did you become a mother?
Age 18.
18. Did you plan to start having children at this age?
No. Who planned to have children at age 18?
I don't know. Oh my god. So how many children do you have now?
6.
6. That's like how many boys, how many girls? Like
5 girls, 1 boy.
So the boy is your favorite?
No, I have no favorite.
For
now? No. No favorite for now. Maybe later when they start beat me, who not beat me. If one them wanna beat me and feed me, I love them more.
Okay. So a little birdie told me that all 6 of your children are spoiled. How do you manage to have 6 spoiled children?
Well, the spoil I don't know about spoiling. But I don't know. Spoil? No, I'm not spoiled.
Hello, spoiled.
No. And maybe if them spoil because me always love babies. So when me have baby, each baby is so special.
Okay. All right. So little birdie also told me that all 6 of your kids have a close bond. You know, one thing, if one of them own one thing, then it belongs to all of them. How does that make you feel?
Proud.
Yeah. Like, what is one of your proudest moments as a mother?
Whenever I see any of them achieve anything and I'm happy about it, makes me happy too.
Nice. I'm waiting until that car pass.
Yeah, slide in.
All right. You too.
I know you're going to slide in, brother. But you're walking. Walk, man. Without the sliding thing. Alright. Yeah, man, cool.
All right. Yeah, man.
Without the sliding thing. You're Maxi Thomas. Walking, brother. No sliding in. Alright. Cool.
Okay. Okay. Next question. What is the hardest thing about being a mom?
The hardest thing about being a mom, whenever I can't find the money to send them to school, that is the hardest thing.
The struggles.
Yeah.
All right. So, out of cooking, cleaning, ironing, what is your favorite thing and what is your least favorite thing?
Cooking, cleaning, ironing. Where the foot washing?
Oh, okay. Washing as well. Sorry.
Washing and cleaning.
Your favorite?
Cooking. No, ironing. The least one.
Yeah.
I like ironing.
Okay. So, I would like to assume that I am the favorite child.
And as I said before, I have no favorite child. I have no favorite child until when they start mistreat me. And the one that will treat me good, I say, you know, I love the one that bad. The one that beat me, and the one that feed me.
Alright.
So if you want to be the favorite one, don't mistreat me.
Alright, I won't. So I always like the fact that you remember the time each of your children born. Like you remember all of them little specific details. And I just have two and I can barely remember which day Johnny was born. So I want you to tell me about the day that I was born.
The day you was born.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can remember. I don't remember that again still, you know. But I think you was born on June 2, 1995 at about 10 minutes after 1 a.m. on a Friday morning. Yeah.
Wow. What were you doing that day?
That day, before you're born, as usual, wake up, get some feed, go papam, come back, eat again, go papam, go papam, come back down right now. I'm ready now. Early. Me and Miss Daisy was here. I was reading. Early hours. Reading till about 9, 10. I feel like I want to do though. What I want to do in the night? You know, I get up, go in the living room, and that's when I start paying. And when I was born, I was all alone here.
Aww. I'm glad you got through fine and we both are okay still. Yeah. Alright, so we're going to go a little bit into your childhood now. Like, so I want you to tell me what is something that you always wanted to do as a child, like growing up, you say, like career-wise.
Air hostess.
Why didn't you?
Alright, air hostess was my favorite. And then my mother went to the principal of the primary school and she was talking to her and tell her I want to be an air hostess and she discouraged her. Tell her no, don't make me do air hostess, make me go to doctor, nurse or something because air hostess is just a simple little job. Just a simple little job, but when you do nursing or something, teaching, and then she come with it now and start discourage me from this air hostess thing and then everything just drop. Me no bother want to do nothing again.
So, like from that experience, how was that like shaped how you deal with your children in terms of them dreams and aspiration?
Well, them always say when you see a child do anything young, it maybe it's something with them born to do. So if me see somebody come here and love come here, me encourage them. And then them would choose what them want to do. Me no help them choose. If them say they want to be lawyer, and me can help them with the lawyer, me help them. I always just say to them, say, try have something else apart from that.
So there's this always to have a plan B.
Yeah, so me not discourage them. Whatever they want to be, I don't discourage them. Like Omanique, me used to love this combing thing too. But as me say from the ear hostess thing and all them behave about it, me could never tell them about no hairdresser, because them that let me down. Them that let me down. So me see Omanique do it. Me encourage her for it, but at least more she do something else. But the hair thing now, me know say can be a side thing.
Yeah.
Don't discourage no children from doing whatever they want to do.
Yeah, I like that. We're going to wait until this nice bus pass. what's one of your happiest childhood memories?
My happiest childhood memories. You know, say mostly summertime when my niece and my nephew them come the other day. Me have company because I was always a only child. Always lonely if I play by myself or when I go over apple them. So whenever summer come and Danny and Hodet and Gary and Glenn and everybody come, yeah, love
Happy
that
like
time.
Christmas morning. Okay. All right. So, how would you describe yourself as a child? Were you mischievous? Were you nice and decent? You know, you get enough beaten, you're not getting enough beaten. Like, how was that?
But in a way, I would say I was mischievous, you know. But in a sneaky way, mischievous in a sneaky way, a lot of people don't know. But I would say I was mischievous.
Okay.
Never get a lot of beaten. I can remember maybe a couple of times I get licked. Not for being mischievous. Doctor tell lie on me. I get beaten. I get beaten one time for spit on somebody. And that's mischievous. Yeah, me mischievous. I always make all of trouble with the people. Mostly the elder people in my house. Never anybody come here. Mischievous. Sneakingly mischievous.
Okay. So, in terms of that and your children, do you see any of them that adopt the same type of behavior that you did? Like,
Yes. Omanik. Omanik is sneakingly mischievous. And everything Omanik do, every time Omanik do something, I just see myself as a child again. Anytime Omanik do something, I just see myself in a Omanik. Yeah, Omanik. Trisha have a little part of it too. Like the cleaning thing, sweep up something. Everybody have a little touching about mostly Omanik.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So, people always say that we look like you, and then some people say we look like a father. But looking at all your children, which one you think actually looks like you, or which one look like you the most?
I don't know. Because to myself now, you see. Yeah, you don't remember which Bible verse say, something like a good task, blowing wind. You look in that glass and by you come out, you remember how you look? Well, I mean that. When you look in the mirror now and see myself and by me turn on, remember how I look. Me don't know. Me not must say CJ. Me not must say CJ.
Okay, alright.
But then people say CJ look like him father, so me no know. People always say CJ look like him father.
Yeah, it's very confusing because people always say, "Oh, you look like your mother," and then people say, "Oh, you look like your father," and I'm like, guys, make up in the mind.
Somebody tell me say, somebody see up on Facebook and say, I saw me did look when me young like you. Leroy say, you and you remember me when me I go catch you. Because you look just like me. No.
That means so when I'm your age, I go look nice and young and fresh like you.
You have one picture, you know? The first ID picture I take. I was 18. And the picture look exactly like you.
Wow. Alright, so we have like 2 more questions. Yeah, reminisce. Oh, just two more. Alright. So, what is something that you used to do as a child that you think kids these days are missing out on?
Outdoor, playing. Learn to cook.
Yeah.
Just playing outside, learning to cook. Them children here no cook. They have too much dry stuff. Them they want pizza, they want chips, they want all type of something.
So them I miss out on the good old cook food.
And the good
And
old playing
good old
daddy
playing.
house and run up and down and then something there.
Yeah.
And go and know fruits. My children them not even know trees. Buying and going a country. And if me tell one of my children then say go pick one cocoa car come give me them pick breadfruit. Yeah. They tell them say go pick one cocoa then go pick breadfruit car come give me. One time Freddie tell Trisha to go buy fever grass. Fever grass tea. And Trisha pick one bush over there. So. And Freddie say he can't smell the fever. All the tea I boy they must smell the fever grass. So because of that, they don't go outside much, then don't know nothing.
Alright. For the final question. Are you proud of yourself as a mother? Like going back at your journey and everything that you've done and everything. Are you proud?
Well, in a way. I'd love to do more.
Mm-hmm.
I'd love if I could do more. But I could not. And based on what I do, yes. Especially how I see you people live
Mm-hmm.
with each other, loving and them something that makes me very proud. Because I've always wanted that.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like sibling quarreling and fighting and them something there. And when me look at me see how no live, if I even that, just to see how no care for each other, yes, that makes me very proud.
I think you should be proud. You've done a very good job as a mom.
I don't think so, but let's see proud.
Well, I am a product of you, and I'm telling you that you did a good job. So
Thank
you
you.
should be proud.
Thank you.
Yeah. We can skip out Omanik and CJ. They
So I'm taking my
and Kimahai. Like them three, they were just like just roll them up, put them in some and discard them.
Kimai, Omanik and CJ give me a challenge, I swear. Yeah.
The 2000 kids, man. That's why.
They make me feel like me whole. Yeah, no. I mean to talk to, especially Casey. You know, it's getting trouble, you know. You know, it's give me more trouble. Casey and Trisha not getting trouble either. You talk to them in here. But then three last one, no, brother. Especially the good one, them I don't know. Omani can see Jay.
Well, personally, I don't think you have none to do there because you see, Jan and Amari, you don't see it get worse as it go along.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Okay, mommy. Earth to mommy. Come back here. Alright, so I wanted to tell you thank you for agreeing to do this interview with me. It was very fun. And I would love for you to do more one next day.
Fun you call it.
Yes. See all decked out in white like an angel.
Yes.
Catch the fit, catch the fit, catch the fit.
White has become my favorite color.
Yes. It suits you.
I'm a virgin.
You know what? That's a wrap.